Andy says, interested in buying some topical rebuilds off you for client sites. Once I buy these, what would you suggest for scaling up content on them? Want to make sure they stay fresh. Well, rebuilds aren't for that. Rebuilds are single page HTML sites. They're not CMSs. I mean, if you want to buy those from us, we can certainly still build them from you, and we can, or build them for you. And we can send you the HTML files and the domain, and you can host them yourself. And then you can go in and edit them until your heart is content. You can add content all you want. That's entirely up to you. It's not a service that we do. We hunt it on the domain and put the HTML page or site up on that. That's optimized with the appropriate content, tuned for the specific topical categories that they need to be. And then we place the links in that, and then we publish it, send it to indexing, and then send you the delivered results. You are free to do whatever you want with it. The HTML rebuilds, most people just leave them alone because it's a single page HTML site. It's not a CMS. It's not easy to publish content to. But if you want to publish content to it or edit it, or do whatever you want to do with it, that's perfectly fine. All you got to do is request that we send you the HTML files and push the domain into your account. You can host it wherever the hell you want, and you can make as many changes to it as you want. Now, we sell niche relevant blog links and now locally relevant blog links for our subscriber clients. We just rolled that out April 1st. So we're not selling locally relevant blog links for one-off purchases yet, because we have to build an inventory of local blogs first before we can offer that. So we're doing that with subscriber clients only right now. Okay. If you're going to go out and try to build your own links networks, guys, or, you know, for backlink purposes, you know, CTRFI is fantastic for that. There's a number of other things that you could do. You know, just like, I mean, I teach how to do everything that I do in my link building business. I teach in the mastermind, guys. Nothing has been held back, like absolutely everything. I'm 100% transparent. So if you want to learn that, Andy, come join the mastermind and you'll get all the training you need for that.